You might have heard of the Smartly credit card if you're into no annual fee travel cards. But is it actually worth it, or just plain trash? Smartly gives you 2x points on dining, groceries, and gas, and 1x everywhere else. Points are worth about a penny each when redeemed for travel through their portal, which is fine, but not amazing. One big plus, it has no foreign transaction fees. So it works well for overseas trips, and if you're new to credit cards, it's an okay starter card. But here's the catch. Compared to cards like Chase Sapphire Preferred or even Capital One Quicksilver, the rewards feel pretty basic. No sign-up bonus, no elite travel perks, and redemption options are limited. So is it worth it? If you want something simple with no fees and need a backup travel card? Yes, but if you're chasing big rewards or premium benefits, you can definitely do better. Let me know if you've tried this card. And if you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more quick, honest reviews every week. See you next tutorial.